Hello everyone, welcome back to Technish. So we are starting a new series today that is Docker, that is for the beginner. So if you're new here, my name is Technish, the Technish guy, and today we are diving into the world of Docker. We will explore what Docker is, why it is a game changer for developers and DevOps teams. Okay, so let's start with the basics. So first of all, you have to understand what is Docker. Okay. So this is a fundamental thing. So Docker is a open source platform that allows you to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of applications. Okay. So so this will allow the developers to package the application and their dependencies into a standardized unit of software. Okay, ensuring the consistency across various environments. Okay, so this is very important. And first and after that, so this whenever this is being packaged, you have to understand something called container. Okay, so a container is a lightweight, portable, and it can run consistently across different environments, whether it's a laptop, a testing server, or a production cloud, anything. Okay, so next we will go to understand the what is the main difference between virtual machines and a Docker container. Okay, so as you can see here, so you might be wondering how is Docker different from virtual machines. So first of all, virtual machines runs an entire OS, okay, and making them heavy. So just see here, okay. So you have the for virtual machines, I have taken this from Messer Dozelt, and as you can see, this is the hyper machine. I mean the virtual machines. Okay, it holds the infrastructure, the host OS, hypervisor. Along with that, there is different virtual machines, that is app and guest OS. Okay, where in case of container, so it shares the host OS. Okay, and making them lightweight. Okay, it's very lightweight whenever you're going for this. So as you can see that the host OS will be shared. Okay, it's not an heavy one, it's a lightweight one, that's why. Okay, so these are efficient and focused and streamlined solutions for your apps. Okay, so this is what it is. Now you have to understand the containerization technology. So first of all, you already understood that how the containers are different from virtual machines. So containerization encapsulates an application, its dependencies into a single container. Okay, it provides the lightweight alternative to the traditional virtual machines, and this technology allows you for rapid deployment, efficient resource allocation, and ability to run multiple applications on a single host without conflicts. Okay, so and you have to understand the importance as well. So it enhances the software development and in a major way. Okay, and the life cycle, providing the environments that are predictable and replicable. So this leads to reduced, it works on my machine problems. So previously we used to encounter this, right? And it enables the DevOps practices, and it fosters the collaboration between development and operation teams. Okay, so next is why use Docker. So you have to understand your so you should consider your Docker application, Dockerizing your application. If your software runs in different environment, if your software consists of many parts, okay, you want your software to be scalable, and your hosting may change in future. So these are the reasons. Okay, you can for these reasons you can use Docker. You can Dockerize your application. So now you have to understand what is the benefit of using Docker. So first of all is portability. So Docker containers are inherently portable, allowing the applications to run seamlessly across various environments. So from local development machines to cloud infrastructures, whatever you use, AWS, GCP, whatever, everything has Dockerized things. For AWS you have ECS, for GCP you have a similar kind of Dockerized application. So this eliminates the concerns about platform compatibility. Okay. The next one is scalability. So with Docker applications, you can scale up your scale and scale down your application effortlessly. Okay. And multiple containers can be deployed and removed instantaneously based on demand, allowing your system to adapt quickly and with the changing workloads, and you can scale up and scale down. Okay. For efficiency also. Okay. So Docker's, it uses the lightweight containers, right? So to utilize the system resources, okay, more efficiently compared to traditional virtualizations that I have already shown you. Okay. So it shares the guest OS based on that. It is very much, lightweight, and this efficiency accelerates the deployment times and optimizes the performance, and it reduces the computational overhead. Okay. And the last one is the isolation. So containers provide, a distinct isolations for each application instance, and it ensures like the different applications and their respective dependencies do not interfere with each other. And this enhances the security and the stability within the application ecosystem. Okay. So that are like overall benefits of using Docker. And that's it for today. Introduction to the Docker. In the next video, we will create our first container, and we will see if if you're understanding this, we will develop this step by step. We will install it. We will check the containers step by step. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one. Happy coding. Bye.